Okay, let's continue on. We're talking about redox coenzymes. What are coenzymes? NADH and FADH2 can also act as coenzymes. They can help reactions to occur. They are important for synthesizing molecules. Regarding the structure of redox coenzymes, describe how NAD+ accepts protons and electrons. It accepts one proton, which is a hydrogen ion, and two electrons. That's for NAD. Regarding the structure of redox enzymes, describe how FAD accepts protons and electrons. It accepts two protons, which are hydrogen ions, and two electrons. What is the proper name for FMN? Flavine mononucleotide. What is NADPH? It does not carry electrons like NADH. It is a coenzyme. It works in reductive biosynthesis. Both NADPH and NADH and FADH2 carry reducing equivalents, but they are used differently. What are the major electron acceptors in fuel catabolism? NAD+ and FAD. What is the primary electron donor in reductive biosynthesis? NADPH. It maintains glutathione function, and glutathione is the superhero of antioxidants. What is NADPH? What is the difference between NADP and NADPH, and how is NADP+ turned to NADPH? NADPH is a reducing agent. NAD+ is the oxidized version of NADPH. Remember that oxidation is losing electrons. When a hydrogen with two electrons are added to NADP+, you get NADPH, which is said to be reduced, oil rig. Oxidation is losing, reduction is gaining. NADPH is a reducing agent that is used in anabolic reactions, reductive biosynthesis. NADPH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. What are redox reactions? A combination of reduction and oxidation. How do we eventually generate 12 ATP from the TCA? 3 NADH, 3 ATP each, 1 FADH, which is 2 ATP, and 1 GTP, which is like equivalent to 1 ATP. Why is it that NADH and FADH2 look different, but both carry 2 electrons? NADH carries 2 electrons on its hydrogen, but FADH2 takes 2 hydrogens and carries 1 electron on each hydrogen. Oxidative phosphorylation allows for the conversion of what? FAD and NAD+. Do NADH and FADH2 carry the same amount of reducing potential? Yes, 2 electrons, but they generate different amounts of ATP. How many ATP are generated in the TCA cycle? 0. 1 turn of the TCA cycle generates how many ATP? Well, first we have NADH, and it's 3 ATP times 3, which is 9 ATP. Remember, it turns 3 times. And then there's FADH2, and it's 2 ATP per FADH2, and it's 1 times 1, which results in 2 ATP. And then there is GTP, and that's 1 ATP times 1, which comes to 1 ATP. So the total is 12 ATP. There are 3 cycles, so it comes to about 36 ATP, plus the 2 from glycolysis, which comes to 38 ATP.